Hello, Algebra 1. This is Lesson 1 of absolute value equations. Hopefully you recall that absolute value means the distance from 0. In other words, it's always going to be positive. So if we had the absolute value of x equals 4, that means x could be positive 4 or x could be negative 4. If we take the absolute value of negative 4, we get positive 4. If we take the absolute value of positive 4, we're also going to get positive 4. So when we solve absolute value equations, it's similar to solving regular equations, but now we have to do it twice. We'll do it once when our answer is positive and once when our answer is going to be negative. Our first example, 6m equals 42. We drop the absolute value bars, so we're just going to say 6m equals 42. Divide each side by 6. We're going to get m equals 7. Now we do it a second time, but this time we're going to make it a negative 42. The 6m stays the same, but this time we have a negative 42. Divide each side by 6. It looks like our m is going to be negative 7 this time. So we have two solutions for that one. Let's try negative 3p. Absolute value of negative 3p equals 15. Again, we drop that absolute value bar. We're going to make it negative 3p. That stays the same. And we're going to make it positive 15 the first time. Divide each side by negative 3. It looks like p is going to be negative 5. And we'll do it a second time. Drop the absolute value bar. We're going to say negative 3p equals negative 15. Divide each side by negative 3. And you get p equals positive 5, our two solutions. Let's try a two-step equation. So again, we'll drop those absolute value bars, and we'll get negative 4 plus 5x equals 16. Add 4 to both sides, we get 5x equals 20. Divide each side by 5. It looks like our first solution is x going to be 4. Let's do it again. This time we're going to make it a negative 16. So you have negative 4 plus 5x equals negative 16. Add 4 to both sides. We get 5x equals negative 12. Looks like we're going to get a decimal here. So divide each side by positive 5. We get x equals 2.4. Let's make that a negative. And that's our second solution. If you wanted to check, we could substitute that back in and make sure it works. What happens when we divide? Let's give that one a try. Let's change colors. So drop the absolute value bars. We have x divided by 7 equals 3. Multiply both sides by 7. It looks like x equals 21. And our second try, x divided by 7 equals negative 3. Multiply by 7. It looks like x equals negative 21. Two solutions. Okay. Go ahead to Schoology and give the U-Tries a try, and then tune in for Lesson 2 on absolute value equations. Email me if you have any questions. Thank you.